So hey guys, it's KG.Franz here. Welcome to the special video I made for you today. And today we'll be making a video about the zombie apocalypse on the Marching Dead on Operation 4 Blizzard. I just bought it yesterday, and also for starting our video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get straight ahead to the video. Before I started playing this, it was really awesome for me. It's just nice because you have like 2, 3, 4 armies. Or soldiers, whatever you're gonna call it. That scream killed me. That scream though, it always kills me. So fabulous. And I've survived like 17 waves before, and now we'll be getting the flamethrower. I always hate it when they do that. They always have to do that. They always scream like phew phew, and then it will delay. And it will eat them. Zombies will eat them. That's why I hate it. Why? I still have shoot. I also just noticed that that guy suicides. And he does a lot of damage to you. I hate your jump scares, man. Is that it? Oh, that's it. I hate jump scares. They always kill me. They give me cancer. I also thought that this guy was sniper though. He's just a rapid guy. A rapid shooting. But it's straight. That's why I like him. Let's just be careful of zombies like that guy. He's the range. No. You ain't doing that no more. Yeah, let's just pause the video for a while. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Let's continue the video right now. I almost got lost there because I didn't know where the continue, don't continue, pause. I don't know how to say it. So anyways, in this part, I think we'll be getting the machine gunner now. No, you ain't getting me right now. Nope. Ah, man, he got me. No! No. Why? No! I didn't tell you to disappear. Nobody told you that. Nope. Oh, sorry. My scream was really bad. No. Cidden Buma. Yes. Now we'll be unlocking the machine gunner. No. Don't. Don't. Don't do that. So easy. Oh shoot. I don't know there was. Yes! Come to Papa. Yeah, boy. And now their lives are getting longer now. No! You ain't killing me, Hawk. Zombie Hawk. This place is a bad idea. Shoot, 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 shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Ah, shoot, shoot. Ah, shoot, 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 shoot. Ah, shoot, shoot, shoot. I almost died. I almost got hit by the rocket RPG or whatever rocket launcher. I don't care about the coins anymore. All I care is to live. That scream. I'm actually surprised that the machine gunner is still alive. In this level, I don't think he was still alive. Oh, no! No! Why? I'm not Rock. I'm Franz. Dang it. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Peace out.